This video is for informational purposes only and is not professional advice. Dixon to acquire 51% stake in Q-Tech India, strengthening its optical components portfolio. Dixon Technologies, India, Limited has taken a major strategic step by entering into a binding term sheet to acquire a 51% shareholding in Kunshan Q-Tech Microelectronics, India, Private Limited, Q-Tech India. The move marks Dixon's entry into the high-precision camera and fingerprint recognition module manufacturing space, targeting applications across mobile handsets, IoT systems, and automotive electronics. The agreement has been signed between Dixon and the shareholders of Q-Tech India, namely Q Technology, Singapore, Private Limited and Kunshan Q Technology International Limited, collectively referred to as Q-Tech Group. The deal will be executed through a combination of primary and secondary investment by Dixon and is subject to customary conditions such as signing of definitive agreements, receipt of regulatory approvals, if applicable, and fulfillment of conditions precedent. This acquisition will significantly enhance Dixon's backward integration strategy, especially in the high-growth mobile phone and automotive electronics components segment, which demands high-end, miniaturized, and precision modules. Mr. Atul B. Lal, Vice Chairman and Managing Director of Dixon Technologies, stated that the partnership marks a transformative step for Dixon in building its competencies in camera and fingerprint modules, key components driving the smart device revolution. He emphasized that this collaboration is not only about expanding product capabilities but also about building India's self-reliance in critical component manufacturing, in line with the Make in India vision. The deal is expected to unlock strong synergies between Q-Tech's technological depth and Dixon's large-scale manufacturing and supply chain efficiency. It also opens avenues for faster time to market, technology transfers, and deepened component ecosystem development in India. Q-Tech Group Chairman Mr. Roy Ho echoed the sentiment, highlighting the shared vision for innovation, quality, and long-term leadership in the optical components space. He stressed that the collaboration is well positioned to meet the growing global demand for high-precision components used across mobile devices, connected IoT systems, and smart automotive platforms. The acquisition is expected to position Dixon as a serious player in the optical hardware ecosystem, an area previously dominated by international players. This strategic move also supports India's broader aim of building a resilient domestic supply chain in electronics, especially in areas like imaging and biometric technologies which are critical for modern devices. Dixon Technologies, already a key player in contract manufacturing across LED TVs, smartphones, washing machines, and wearables, will now add camera and fingerprint sensor modules to its expanding capabilities. The company has also been active in telecom, IT hardware, and reverse logistics, making it one of India's most diversified and vertically integrated electronics manufacturers. With this acquisition, Dixon strengthens its long-term roadmap of becoming a technology-first, end-to-end solutions provider for both Indian and global OEMs. Further details regarding project location, construction timeline, and PPA terms will be disclosed upon execution of definitive agreements and regulatory clearance.